Hey guys, it's me here. I know you see storms in the weatherman, so rain and thunder, lightning, and the weather in our country. All the weathers come from all the elements over new, like tornado, lightning, snow, rain. They're like elements. Elements come from the cloud. Colors the cloud gray, white, or something like that. It could be nice soon. It could be thunder strike, like white lightning, like that. Something like that. I know you will see more my video, see my subscribe YouTube video. You remember I think something like that. The elements like a thunder. The thunder like lightning, like like thunder like this. Thunder strike, electric current, electric shock. I know you see it. You will see more or then talk.